So I would say that you should absolutely attend World Conference, because when you sit in that seat, you see what's possible. And what I like to do is pick out what I'm going to walk on stage for the following year. And I strongly encourage every consultant, whether you're new or you've been in it for a while and just kind of have given your business a back seat, get to World Conference just so you can see that these lifestyles we talk about are a reality, and there's no place better to see that than at World Conference. When you're seeing everybody walk the stage, it just feels more real. Like it just feels like it's something that you can do.
World Conference. World Conference is a 3-ring circus. It's a spectacle. It's incredibly awe-inspiring to watch these women walking across the stage, celebrating their accomplishments and all of the sacrifices that they made in order to be the best of the best. Plus, you're going to get to meet women from around the globe that are running really successful pure romance businesses and find out how they're doing it.
You should attend World Conference because you get several days of great training. You get inspiration. You get to see all of these things that other women have done in their business and learn from them, bump elbows. And that is your chance to connect with these women that are going the places that you want to go in your business and doing the things that you want to do.
World Conference is a different type of level for a corporate event. I went to my first training, which was at World Conference a couple years ago, and I saw the magic and the sparkle happen. That was where I saw these women walk the stage, get these checks, have $1 million teams, and it really just made that if she could do it, I could do it too kind of moment go through my head. And anybody truly can do this, and seeing that magic on stage just brings that belief and inspiration to consultants' lives. And I also think that the education in the classes is also priceless. And of course, you can also bring your partner who they can now get on board with your business and understand that it's a business and not a hobby, so they can be on the same page with you for your family goals as well.